Here's a bunch of Goodman units. Let's see. This one, I think these all have scroll compressors, but I'm not gonna go back there. Yeah, these have scroll compressors. And oh, here's more. This one has a rotary. This one also has a rotary. I think this one, I can't really tell. I think it's a scroll. Can you get the data? It's a good. I can't get the data on these. One of them is running back here. It's really loud, actually. Oh, it's that one back there. I think this one also has a rotary compressor. Yeah, this one will work. It's noisy. But let me see what year it's from. I can't really tell. It's a Goodman, so. Oh. I think these all have rotary compressors. Oh, this one's running too. This one's quiet. Much quieter. What about that one back there? 5, 6. Yeah, there's like 6 over here. There's 4 over there. I think like 5 over there, and also like 4 more over there. And there's some more units on the back of this building too. Like here's an LG wall unit. See if any of these are running. Yeah, some of them are. Let's see. Yeah, what kind of running? I can get the data off of this one. Let's see. This is a, I believe that's a 2002. I believe this is a 2 ton from 2002. And yeah, they all have rotary compressors, I think. This one's really quiet. This one from 2008. Oh, here's a Trane. Pretty sure this has a climate compressor. Oh, there isn't any more over there, dang it. This is from 2000. Let me see if I can see what brand this compressor is, but I can't really tell, honestly. I think it's from 2002. I can't really tell, but it's a 2 ton. I really want to get the startup of one of these. I'm pretty sure this replaced another Goodman. I'm not sure though. Let's see. The data's hard to read, but this is from 2008. And can't really tell. Yeah. Also from 2008. Pretty sure these are all from 2008. Actually, wait, hold on. No, this one's from 2002. Oh wait, I think I already got the data. Looks like these are heat pumps. There's the reversing valve in there. A startup.
No, don't do it.
I don't know how to do it. It's the same kind of disconnect box that was on those other ones. But let's see if... No, I don't think this one is not running good. Oh yeah, it's cold and sweaty. It's kind of noisy actually. I think we should go. There isn't any more in the back, I already checked.